Good morning, PUC second year students. Today let us study the chapter number 4, that is the theory of perm under perfect competition. Already we have understood the meaning of what do you mean perfect competition and what are its characteristics or the features of perfect competition. And now today let us study the some 1 mark questions are there. They are 5 marks questions. Each question carries 1 mark. Total it has 5 marks. That is, choose the correct answer from 4 options. Each question has only 1 marks and total 5 questions are there. And 5 questions has total 5 marks. Each question carries 1 marks. And each question has 4 options. You have to choose only one options, that is correct answer. So we have the 5 questions. Among 5 questions you have to choose one correct answer from 4 options are there. You have to choose. The first question is, choose the correct answer from the following 4 options. First question is, in a perfect competition, each firm produces and sells. In a perfect competition, each firm produces and sells. Already you have the features of perfect competition. There are number of features of perfect competition. First one is, there are large number of buyers and sellers. There is homogeneous product and single price, no transport cost, and the free entry and free exit of the firm, and price taker. And all the buyers and sellers have perfect knowledge about the market. But in this choose the correct answer, there is one question is there. In a perfect competition, each firm produces and sells. There are 4 options are there. You have to choose only one options. Option A is heterogeneous product. Option A is heterogeneous product. And option B, homogeneous product. Option C is luxury goods, and option D is necessary goods. Which one option is right? Which option is correct? You think of these 4 options. The answer is, in a perfect competition, each firm produces and sells. That is homogeneous product. The answer is B, that is homogeneous product. That is homogeneous products. Already you have know about the features of perfect competition. The correct answer is B, that is homogeneous product. And second question is, the increase in total revenue for a unit increase in the output is. The question is, the increase in total revenue for a unit increase in the output is. Option A, marginal revenue. Option B, average revenue. Option C, total revenue. Option D, fixed revenue. Already you have know about all the meanings of what is marginal revenue, what is average revenue, what is fixed revenue, what is total revenue. But we have to choose among these four options. The answer is marginal revenue. The answer is marginal revenue. Marginal revenue means it is an extra revenue produced by the firms, an extra unit of the firms. It is means increase in total revenue. Increase in total revenue for a unit increase in the output is called the marginal revenue. Marginal revenue. So the answer is A, that is marginal revenue. And the third question is, the firm's profit is denoted by, the firm's profit is denoted by the option A, summation, option B, delta, option C, E, option D, like this, profit. Which answer is right among the four options? The answer is, the firm's profit is denoted by, the firm's profit is denoted by the option D is a right answer. It means that it is profit in economics. The firm's profit is denoted by the answer. D is the right answer. D is the right answer. You keep remember. And fourth question is, when the supply curve is vertical, when the supply curve is vertical, the elasticity of supply is. When the supply curve is vertical, the elasticity of supply is, option A, elasticity of supply is equal to 1. Option B, elasticity of supply is greater than 1. And option C, elasticity of supply is equal to 0. Option D, elasticity of supply is equal to infinity. Which answer is correct from these four options? How to find out? Like this, you have to understand by the diagram. It is supply curve, OX, OY. The supply curve, how the supply curve is? When supply curve is vertical, this is the horizontal, this is the vertical. The supply curve is how? The supply curve is sloped in this question. When the supply curve is vertical, yes, OS, the supply curve is vertical to the OX axis. It is called as the vertical supply curve. It means that when the supply curve is vertical, the elasticity of supply is equal to 0. If the price can increase, or decrease, but supply cannot be increased, it means the elasticity of supply is equal to 0. The answer is C answer. The answer is C. That is, elasticity of supply is equal to 0. Why the 0? If price can increase or decrease, but supply cannot be increase or decrease, it is constant. It means it is inelasticity. It is inelasticity. Inelasticity means it is 0. The elasticity of supply is equal to 0 is the correct answer. And the last question is, that is the fifth question. The revenue per unit of output of a firm is called as, the revenue per unit of output of a firm is called as TR, total revenue. Option B, MR, marginal revenue. Option C, AR, average revenue. Option D, none of the above. Which answer is right or correct among these four options? The answer is, the revenue per unit of output of a firm is called as the AR. The answer is AR. AR means it is per unit of output. It is the revenue per unit of output of a firm is called as the AR, average revenue. What do you mean average revenue? AR is equal to total revenue divided by Q. AR, how to find out? AR is equal to TR divided by Q. AR, how to find out? AR is equal to TR divided by Q. AR, it is per unit of output is called the AR. Per unit of output it is called the AR. The revenue per unit of output of a firm is called as the AR. AR is the correct answer. These are the 5 questions you have to keep remember till the examination, and make study hard, and you will get 5 marks if the question comes in examination. So you will have the 5 marks. Each question carries 1 marks. You have to choose the correct answer among these 4 options. Don't forget, my name is Ashok Kurane. Don't forget my name, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, one and all.